Hello everybody, this is BTS Smart Money Trading. Today I'm going to show you basic forex trading, how basic forex trading is very powerful, and how you can use this information to try by all means to learn how to trade. So this is volatility 51s, 24 hours. We're going to use 24 hours to identify our key levels. So the market was made, as you see, the market was bullish. We have this massive uptrend now. So remember, we are using history in forex to predict the future. So now we are here. So I want to identify, I want to show you how we could have maybe catch this move right here, this current sell movement based in supply and demand. Okay, the market made a very powerful movement here, buy movement, as you see. Then it consolidate buy movement. This buy movement was very weak. Let me say it was very powerful, but look at the pressure of sell here. The pressure of sell is very strong, and we are going to identify where the turning point, where it turned, is exactly here. This was our turning point. Now this is our turning point of rapid sell movement, and it made a low here, this low here, and after it made this low, look what it did. It makes another high here, but as you see, this high is not above the previous high. So let's go ahead and see and analyze this in big scales. So let's identify our supply and demand. According to me, where the market make a very rapid sell movement, it's our supply. Like here we have the last candlestick of buy before sell, and this sell was very strong, and this is our demand. Not demand, sorry for that. This is our supply, and we have another sell here, and the buy. We can identify this as our key area here. I don't want to call this demand because the volume of the candlestick doesn't satisfy me. Okay, let's go ahead to 8 hour time frame. In 8 hour time frame, what I see is this still a very strong supply. Why? A rapid sell movement, and it makes the low here, and it went back. It didn't enter the supply, but instead of for it to go inside the supply, it just sold off, making this these two candlesticks, this common two candlesticks here. I guess many of you knows this candlestick. Okay, this candlestick, I don't want to teach about them, but I want to show you something. Look, when it made this candlestick, look what happens. It sell off and you went test this candlestick. I'll teach about this candlestick next time. I wanted to show you something. There's something common about these two candlesticks. And then the market do what? The market break this low here, the previous low. Now this is called we have broken the structure. Now we are selling. Now this is the confirmation of you are selling. Now where do we sell? when this, remember we have this high didn't enter our demand, right? Our supply didn't enter our supply. So what we expect, you expect the price to go back to our supply and sell off. Like you see, it entered our supply, then it sell off, because this area is now, this high was supposed to be manipulated. So it was manipulated here as the market break it and enter our demand at our supply where we should have sold. This is our supply where we sell, not here. So the market did that. So we are riding to where? To our demand now. This area is now our demand, because we see a rapid buy movement here. Buying pressure was very high here. So we are from supply to demand. Based on the entries, someone could have just entered on the open of our last candlestick of buy before sell, the open of it, or somebody could have entered the 50% of it. So I don't want to confuse you. This is my first video, so let me not go into deep, but I wish this video was so helpful to you, and I believe you will have information, better information on how to trade within a range. This is trading within a range. You identify the higher and the lower, and you identify supply and demand. This is now our demand, but based on this information, we have liquidity here and we have a supply here, we have a break of structure here. So this was automatic sell. We should have participated on it. So thank you for watching this video, which is so helpful to you. Bye.